In this, we are going to introduce ourselves to Discord and basically set up a server in Discord. So, first of all, what is Discord? If you do not know, then Discord is a way through which you can communicate with the others using the voice messages, using video calls, or basically the text messages as well. Apart from this, you can also share your screen and communicate in a better way. The servers are created in Discord wherein people can come close and build a community. The friends can share information and everything. So let us just see how can we create our own Discord server in this video. So for this, what we are going to do is first of all go to this link, the official Discord link, that is discord.com. Now Discord is available in the form of apps or a website. The app is available for a Windows PC, for a Mac, or even for an Android device or an iPhone. So I'm opening this on my Windows PC. That is why as soon as I open discord.com, this is giving me an option to download for Windows. So when I download it for Windows, an app for Windows would be downloaded for Discord. But if you do not want to do that, you can go for Discord in browser option. That means it would just open up your Discord in the browser itself. Either you can use these two options or go all the way down to this sign up option. So let us just first sign up for Discord. Then it would ask you to fill in your details like name, username, email, etc. You can fill in all those details and pass in the captcha. So let's just do that. And once all is done, you will get this kind of a dialog box to create your first Discord server. Now there are two things that you can do: either create your own Discord server, or there are few of these templates given to you from which you can just select. But what I'm gonna do is just click on this X option, and this is the Discord window that I'm getting right now. Over here I am getting my username and an ID as well. Okay. So this is the basic screen layout, and now let us see that how can we add a server. Now this method will help you to add a server anytime that you want and not just when you have signed up for Discord. That's why I previously clicked on the X option to just close that dialog box of creating a server. So to create a server, you can see this plus icon is present in the left menu where this exclamation mark is also been shown. So let's just click on here, and this is the same dialog box that you would be getting either to create your own server or to create from a template. But if you already have an invite, you can simply click on join a server, and then you can just paste an invite link. Here are a few of these sample invite links that how they are looking. So if you have an invite link, you can simply just paste it over here and click on join server, so that server you can join. Otherwise, if you want to create your own server, you can click on create my own. Then you can just choose for whom you want to create. You want to create for you and your friends, or for a club or a community. So this would you can just choose any option, and this would give you an option to add a name for the server. So let's just say sample server, and then it would ask you to upload a picture. So let's just upload one. Let's just go with this picture and click on create. So it would take a few seconds and your server would be created. So this is how your server is created. How can we join a global server on Discord? So on Discord, there are two types of servers that are available: global servers or public servers, and the private servers. So as the name suggests, private servers are the ones only which few people can join via invite links. But on public servers or global servers, anyone on the world can join that particular server. So in Discord, we can create our own servers and join other servers as well. So let's see how are we going to join a global server or a public server. So first of all, in your Discord, on this left hand menu, you will see that there is this kind of a map icon that says explore public servers. So we just need to click on this. Now we have this kind of a screen in front of us wherein we can just search for a particular server, or we can just toggle through some of the popular servers. For these servers, we would get the name of the server, its description, the number of the members that are currently online, and the total number of members that have joined this particular server. Apart from this, if we just click on this server, then we would be able to get more information about this, like what all things we can do, or if you just want to look around, you can just click on this bottom button. Now this is a server that has been there for long, so it is very easy to understand what all goes in a Discord server, but that we will look later on. So we are going to focus on how to get to join a public server. So once you have discovered a public server, you can see on the very top a message that you are currently in a preview mode and you have to join the server to start chatting. To join the server, there is this button join and the name of the server, which is Official Fortnite in this case. So let's just click on this link, and here it asks us to complete a few more steps. So let's just click on complete, and it asks us to agree to the terms and the server rules. Let's just click on this icon and click on submit. So then the server is joined, but still we cannot send messages to the server because there is a message on the very bottom that we must be a member for at least 10 minutes to send messages in this server, and there is a timer that shows that how many minutes have passed. So after 10 minutes we would be able to chat with anyone and send messages on the server. So that's how you join a global server in Discord. We are going to talk about that how can you leave a server that you have already joined. So this is a server, the Official Fortnite server, which I have joined from my previous video. In case you are interested in knowing that how can we join a public server in Discord, then you should check out that video. But in this video we are already a member of our server, this Official Fortnite server, but we want to leave this server. So how do we do that? The simple way is that on the very left hand side, the menu that we get is the menu that helps us organize everything related to servers, channels, and even chats for us. So in order to leave a server, what you need to do is just go to that particular server, right click over here, and here are these different options that you would get. In order to leave the server, you have to click on this leave server option, and that would allow you to leave the server. So let's just click on leave. It asks us to confirm this status. Now there is one thing that is associated over here, and that is once we leave a server, even if it is a public server, we cannot rejoin it until and unless we are re-invited into the server. Now if we want to join the server again, we have to be invited by some of the members of this server into our server. So that is okay with us. We can click on leave server, and you can see that Discord asks you for a feedback. So I can just give any random reason and click on done. So that is how we have just left the server. Here we are going to see that how can we create channels in our Discord server. So once you have created your own server and you are the owner of that particular server, then you can add different channels onto your server. The purpose of the channels is that they are usually assigned a topic, and all the conversation related to that particular topic takes place in that channel only. This is easier way to organize the things and to make sure that every relevant information is bundled on in one place so anybody can access it at any time. By default, we have two types of channels that are already created as soon as we create a server, and those are the text channel and one voice channel. So if we just click on our server that we created, that is sample server, we will see in this text channels we have one channel that is already created known as the general, and there is this pound symbol that shows that okay, it is a text channel. Okay, and if we just click on it, then you can see this part opens up the chat in this particular channel, which is visible through this icon, this pound symbol, and the name of the channel, that is the general channel. Next we have is the voice channels, which allows us to send voice, video based messages, and even allows screen sharing. So if we just click on this, then you will see that it asks me, Discord wants me to use my microphone or other permissions. Right now I'm just going to click on just close this, but you can see there are these other options, like I can turn on my video or screen, and okay, Now since I have denied the Microsoft microphone access, so it is just suggesting me to go to the help desk. Okay, so let's just go back to our text channel for now. That's the general channel, and here we can just click on this plus icon to create a new channel. Now when we are creating a new channel, it asks us that what type of channel we want to create, like whether we want to create a text channel or a voice based channel. So I'm just going to create a text channel. Now you can give your channel a name. So let me just give it a name as sample test. Now if you want, you can just set this particular channel to a private channel, and what happens that once you make your channel private, only some members or the selected members would be able to view the channel, and you can assign them roles as well. So to add an extra level of authentication and security, you can perform this step. So let's just click on yes. So then we have an option of next. Now you can assign the moderators and their roles, that what would be the roles of every person in this particular channel. If you don't want to do this right now, you can simply just click on skip, and the channel would be created with a welcome message. From here also you can add members or roles, or if you want to edit any settings of this channel, that also you can edit using this edit channel button. Okay, so we can just assign a channel topic, which is again the channel description that was available when we saw the public channels available, and how many these different settings are there. Okay, we are going to see that how can you send messages on a Discord channel. So basically in Discord, the first level that we create is a server, and in each server there are some channels. If you want to chat with the members of that particular server, then you have to send the messages via channels. Now we have already created a server, and we have 2 text channels and 1 voice channel in that particular server. So the text channel that is automatically created with server creation is the general channel, and we are going to just send a message into this channel. So on the very bottom of your screen, you will find a text box wherein you can type your message. So any of the text that you want to send, that you can send on the channel by just pressing on the enter key. Next we have the information to send other things like gifts, which is only available with an upgraded version, or the GIFs. So if you just want to send any GIFs, let's just get with a trendy GIFs, so which are trending, let's just send this GIF. So we can just click on that particular GIF, and that GIF would be sent onto our chat. Now every member who joins this channel or this server particularly would be able to view these messages. Next we can send in some stickers. We can choose from these stickers, or even we can just send emojis. So here are these bunch of emojis which we can send, and press enter. So these emojis would be sent as well. Okay, if you want to send any of the image files directly from your PC, then you can just click on this plus icon, and you can just click on this upload file, and this would allow you to upload the files. So let me just go to pictures, and let's just see if we can just upload some picture. Okay, so this is the image that I want to send. So let's just click on open, and that image is now available as a text box. If you want to add some message along with image, that also you can add, like dark series image. Okay, and then press on enter. So that image would be uploaded along with the message. In case you want to remove this image, so you can just click on this cross icon, and it would just ask you that if you want to allow to remove this image. In case you are sure, you can just click on remove attachment, and that attachment would be removed, and this message would be there, but with a edited comment over here that tells you that this message was edited. In case you want to edit any of these messages, you can just hover over that message and click on this pencil icon. So that would allow you to edit this message. So I just want to remove this and click enter. So what happens is, if I just remove the link of the GIF, then this particular message or this particular GIF would be permanently deleted. So yes, I want to delete it. Let's just click on delete, and that particular GIF has been deleted from the channel. So that's all about messaging in the channel. We are going to see that how can we organize a user profile in Discord. So in Discord, we have a profile that needs to be created first before even creating a server. Once we have created a profile, we can create our own server or join any of the servers that we have been invited to, or even join some of the public servers that are available all over the globe. Now, once you have created your profile, there are few things that you can manage. And all these things that you can manage are actually available on this particular panel, that is the panel where all the channels are listed on the bottom side of that panel. Okay, so first of all we have is the microphone icon, which helps you to mute or unmute your voice, because in Discord we can actually just share our voice. So if you do not want your voice to be shared, you can keep your microphone on mute. Similarly, if you do not want to hear what others are saying on the channel, then you can use this deafen icon, and this would just cut all the sounds and you won't be getting any sound into your headphones or from your speakers. But if you want to hear in what others are saying, you can just turn this option on. Next is the status settings. So if you just click on these user settings option, you would be getting all the information through which you can manage your profile. You can go to user profile. From here you can change your avatar, like you want a particular image or any kind of an animated avatar that you can choose. If you just click on this, these are these different GIFs from which you can just choose your avatar. So let's just choose this one. Click on apply. So this kind of an avatar would be only available if you are joined through Nitro. So in case you do not want to join Nitro, you can simply click on exit preview, and this avatar, this GIF avatar, won't be applied. If you want to change the color of your profile, which by default is the yellow color, you can just choose any of the colors that you like. This one. Then if you want, you can add a few sentences about yourself in the markdown, as well as the links that you want people to see. And once you're all done, you can just click on save changes. So your profile changes would be saved. Now let's just click on escape. If you want to change your status settings, then what you can do is just click on this profile link. Here right now the status is set to online and the green dot is visible with your name. This also you can see over here, wherein this is a members bar that shows all the members of the particular server. So just beside your name, a green dot is shown with a status as online if you just hover over it. Okay, so these are the different status that you can just set, like the idle status. So now this icon changes to a moon icon and your status changes to idle. If you do not want to receive any of the desktop notifications, you can change your status to do not disturb. If you want to be invisible, that means even if you are online, others won't be able to see this information. So that also you can just set to invisible, or you can even set a custom status. So let's say I want to say feeling bored, and then you can just set the duration, that for how much time you want to just keep the status. So let's just keep it as 30 minutes. And what would be the status symbol? So status symbol would be online, and click on save. So now what is happening is I'm getting this feeling bored written just beside my name, which is showing my status. Other things we can do with Discord with a user profile is how to share video or screen. So as you can see here, we are getting this share your screen option. If you just click on share screen, you would be getting an information that what you want to share. If you want to share your entire screen, or you want to share some of the windows only, or you want to share a particular Chrome tab, that also you can share. So you can just click on that icon. Then there is this option to share system audio. So this option is used when suppose you are playing a video onto your system and you want to share your screen or your video with everyone. Then just by sharing the screen, only the visuals would be there, but anyone who is listening into your server, even if your even if your microphone is on, won't be able to listen what's going on into the video. So if you just click on this icon, that is share system audio, then they would be able to listen to what's going on through the video. So once you have checked this icon, you can just simply click on share and that screen would be shared. Similarly for video, you need to just click on this icon and give camera access to Discord, and then you would be able to video chat with anyone who has joined your server. So that's all that you can manage for your user profile. We are going to see that how can we assign roles in a Discord server. So roles are basically assigned on a whole server, and first of all, let's just see how these look. So let's just go to a public server, just grab the first one, or basically any server that we are able to join. So, or just view the server. So here on the very right hand side, we will get that here the top, it is written mod mail 1. Then we have written administrator and then moderators. So these administrator, moderator and mod mail are basically the roles, and these different members have been assigned different roles. And as you can see, all the members of the moderator are in red color, all the members that are a part of events team are in yellow color, and there are some Discord bots in different colors. Then we have operator roles in different colors as well. Then we have public figures in different colors. So this is the role. In each role we can assign different permissions related to the server, like the edit access or all these accesses, and we can also assign a color to that particular role. So every member who is a part of that particular role would be given that color, those permissions, and their name would be visible as a part of that particular role. So let's just see how we are going to create roles onto our sample server. So first of all, let's just go back to our sample server. In here you can see the name of the server is written over here, the sample server. So in order to assign roles, we need to click on this particular server, and here we have the server settings option. So you can just click on the server settings option, and then we can see that here on the left hand side we have a roles option. Now we can create new roles, and if already present roles are there, we can manage them as well. So let's just click on create role to create a new new role. Basically in this role it asks us for a role name, so let's just assign admin as the role name. Any name we want, we can just assign that particular name. Then it asks us to choose a color, so let's just go with this blue. So this would be the color of this particular role. If you want a role icon to be there, then you can choose an image, otherwise let's just leave it. Next option we have is the permissions. So these are all the permissions that are available, which you can select that which person gets these permissions. So I want to give them manage channels and emojis and stickers permissions. Okay, then once you are done, you can even add members to this particular roles if there are existing members onto your server. So you can simply just click on add members button, and there is only one member onto my server, so let's just click on that and click on add. So this particular member is now assigned this role. If you want to remove the members, you can simply just click on this cross icon, so that member would be removed from that particular role. Let's just confirm this by clicking on remove. Now in order to create a role, we can just simply click on save changes, and those changes would be saved. If we just go back to our server, then this role is now assigned. So let's just now assign some members to this particular role. So let's again go to the server settings. Here we have roles, and you can see there are no new members in this role. So let's just click on this role and add a member. So let's just click on add and click on escape. So now you can see the name of my color has changed to a blue color. That's because I have been assigned the role. So that's how you manage roles and assign roles or create new roles for members in a Discord server. We are going to check that how can we actually make a call in Discord. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to be connected to a server, and even if you are one member, then also you can create a call in Discord. But if you want multiple members to join your call, then there should be multiple members on that particular server. In order to make a call, you can actually just click on this video option, and then this call would be made. So let's just click on this. Now by default your camera would be turned on, and you can see over here these options. So if I just click on turn off camera, Then my camera would be turned off, and this is a call that I have joined. If you want to invite other people, you can just click on this invite link. You can also share your screen over here like this, and your screen would be shared. And if you want to just stop the screen sharing, you can just click on this stop sharing option. A stream would be created as well, which you can watch later on. If you want to disconnect the call, just click on this red button and the call would be disconnected. So that's all in this video. That is how you create, join and invite members in a video call in Discord. That's all for this one. Thanks for watching.